Welcome to Malaga, a vibrant coastal city in the heart of Andalucia, southern Spain. Nestled between the Mediterranean Sea and the mountains, Malaga is a city where rich history, stunning landscapes, and lively culture come together. Geographically, Malaga enjoys a privileged location on the Costa del Sol, with over 300 days of sunshine a year. Its coastline stretches for miles, offering gorgeous sandy beaches like La Malaguita and El Palo, where locals and visitors alike enjoy the warm Mediterranean waters. But Malaga is much more than its beaches. The city is steeped in history, dating back to its founding by the Phoenicians over 2,800 years ago. One of the most iconic landmarks is the Alcazaba, a Moorish fortress perched on a hilltop. Offering breathtaking views of the city and the sea. Nearby is the Roman Theatre, a reminder of Malaga's ancient past. And towering above the city is the majestic Gibralfaro Castle, another historic fortress with panoramic views. In the heart of the city, you'll find the grand Malaga Cathedral, often called La Manquita, or the One-Armed Lady, due to its unfinished second tower. This Renaissance masterpiece dominates the skyline and is a must-see for visitors. is also the birthplace of the world-renowned artist Pablo Picasso. You can visit the Picasso Museum, home to many of his works, and explore his early influences in the city he called home. Of Malaga is a blend of traditional Andalusian warmth and modern creativity. Flamenco music and dance fill the streets during festivals, while contemporary art galleries and theatres showcase the city's artistic flair. The people of Malaga, known for their friendliness and hospitality, take great pride in their cultural heritage. When it comes to food, Malaga offers a culinary journey like no other. The local cuisine is heavily influenced by the sea. You can't visit without trying espeto de sardinas, freshly grilled sardines cooked right on the beach. Tapas culture is alive and well here, with local favorites like porra antiquarana, a cold tomato soup, and boquerones, fresh anchovies. The bustling Atarazanas market is a great place to experience local flavors firsthand. The architecture of Malaga reflects the city's diverse history, from its Roman ruins to its Moorish influences and modern touches. Walking through the city, you'll notice charming streets lined with colorful Andalusian buildings, lively squares, and elegant gardens. Malaga is a city that embodies the spirit of Andalusia. Its combination of natural beauty, historical landmarks, rich culture, and friendly people make it a destination that captivates everyone who visits.